Okay, two type of capital is there. One is the fixed capital and second is fluctuating. Fluctuating already finished. Now we are coming from the fixed capital. In that fixed capital, when capital are fixed, then we are going to make the two accounts. On the place of single capital, we are going to make the two accounts. One is capital account and second is current account. One is capital and second is current account. Why we are going to make the capital? Because capital is fixed, so we are going to make the capital account separately. And in that capital account, we are going to show only capital. If any capital will introduce that capital, if any capital withdraw that capital. Okay? And then balancing figure. Only these three or four things is showing in the capital account. Just see. When the case of fixed capital, we are making the capital is like that. Just think two partners is there. First buy balance means buy balance BD means his capital balance. His capital balance beta. Then buy cash. If anyone introducing new capital or additional capital, we are going to enter here. Okay, beta? Anyone introducing new capital or additional capital, we are going to introduce here. Add, like a add, here buy cash, new capital. If anyone introducing, okay, and this side just opposite to cash or bank means if anyone withdrawal. Okay, beta? Anyone introducing, then buy cash, anyone withdrawal, then to cash, and after that same closing to balance CD, and where it is going? Balance CD. Clear? Two partners is there. In the case of fixed capital, we are going to make two accounts on the place of single capital. One is capital and second is current. How we are going to make the capital account? Like that. Capital accounts. Two partners there, A and B. First buy balance. In this balancing figure, in this balance, we are going to enter his capital only. Okay? Then anyone introduce new capital or new cash or additional capital, we are going to enter here. If amount is there, then amount, and anyone going to withdraw or decreasing his capital to cash and then balance. It's a capital account. Because of capital is fixed. Then going for the current account. Current account. Just see. Due to space, I am making the amount line is very less width. Okay. A and B. Other all things which is receiving by the partner entered in the current account are given by the partner entered in the current account. Same way, posting way is same system, same method we are going to follow. If anything received by the partner's credit side, give by the partner's debit side. As like if they are receiving interest, by interest on capital, salary, then by salary, commission by commission. If workman compensation fund, then workman, parts of workman compensation fund. If PL is there, then PL. If goodwill is there, then goodwill. If investment fluctuating fund, then investment fluctuating fund. These all that will received by the partners entered in a credit side. Same way, same thing is there. As like a capital account, only capital will change from this current account. Only capital account is there, separately capital account. In that capital account, we are showing only the capital, and then other things which we had shown in a capital account, going to show in a current account. Okay, this side to drawing and to interest on drawing and to loss and then to balance CD same, where is going? In balance sheet. Okay, this is the way, this is the pro forma or way by which we are going to present the capital and current account in the case of fixed capital. In the case of beta fixed capital, first we are going to make the capital account. In this capital account we are only showing the balance of capital, and then they are introducing any new capital or additional capital that we are showing. If they withdraw capital, debit side, and then balancing figure that is going on the balance sheet. Okay, and then we are going for the current account. In this current account also we are taking the balance. If the balance is given for current account beta, so then we are going to show if any balance is given. Okay, if not is there, then direct start with the all things that is received by the partners, by interest on capital, by salary, by commission, workman compensation fund, part of workman compensation fund that is distributed, reserve also. Okay, then workman compensation fund, part of PL appropriation or PL both. Then goodwill, part of goodwill, and then investment fluctuating fund and reserve. These all will be distributed in the partners, and then drawing and interest on drawing. If loss is there, then debit side, and then lastly balance. Maybe balance is coming on debit side or credit side. If debit side, to balance, credit side, by balance. Okay, beta. If credit side is coming, to in balance sheet asset side that is going, and debit side is coming, then liability side. Clear? Okay, now we are going for the one question. Question number beta. Read the question, question number 10. Anyone read the question? First we are going to make what beta? PL appropriation. Here is not put space, so I am trying to manage with the shortcut. Okay.
Y and Z are partners with capital of 25,000 and 15,000 respectively.
Y and Z are partners, 25,000 and 15,000. Okay, beta. 25,000 and 15,000. 9% of interest on capital.
Yes.
Okay. 9% of interest on capital. And next,
Z salary is 6,000.
just salary 6,000 yearly annum. Next,
with commission 6%.
and commission 6% on net profit after deducting interest on capital, salary, and his commission also. Okay, this is the special case. His commission also means when you are going to calculate after that, after what is coming beta, if you are going to calculate any type of interest or commission or anything, and the case is coming after of this commission, interest or anything else, so formula will change amount into rate upon 100 plus rate. Okay, 100 plus rate. Clear? Then we are going to start the solver making the PL appropriation account. Okay, beta? We start with the capital. First, interest on capital Y and Z 2250 and 1350, 3600. Clear? How to calculate? Clear or not? 9% of 25,000 and 9% of 15,000. Okay, then to salary directly 6,000. No problem about that. Okay. So here by PL 30,800. Okay. PL is 30,800. Interest on drawing is given or not? No interest on drawing? No drawing? Nothing? So directly go for the calculation of commission of Z. To Z commission. Okay. Take the difference this and this. Okay. After charging salary and commission and interest on capital, means first we are going to less from this profit, this interest on capital, and then salary. What remaining is there, on that amount we are going to calculate that remaining amount is coming 21200 beta.
Yes, sir.
21200. On this value we are going to calculate 6%. That commission is after charging such commission means 6 upon 100 plus 6. Okay beta? 100 plus 6. It means 21200 into 6 upon 100 plus 6. That amount is 1200. Okay? The commission amount is 1200. Write down here 2 commission. Z commission amount 1200. Then lastly what we are doing? 30,800. 30,800. 20,000 is profit. That is profit distribution A cap. Y capital and Z capital 10,000 and 10,000. Clear? How we are making this PL account? Why I am going to fast? Because it's already I was explaining this now. Clear this? PL appropriation is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to make coming on our main topic, and main topic is capital account and current account. Okay, beta. First we are going to make the capital account on the case of fixed, because in this question both is given. So first capital, two partners there beta. I am trying to manage in this same space. Y and Z, Y and Z. First buy balance BD, that amount is 25,000 and 15,000. Nothing introducing. Now beta, nothing introducing and nothing withdrawal. Means directly go to balance this account only. Okay? That balancing this amount 25,000 and 15,000. Same amount this side 25,000 and 15,000. 25,000 and 15,000. It's a 2 balance sheet. Finished. Okay? This capital account is finished. Clear? No withdrawal, so nothing cash is coming on credit side, debit side, and no introducing any new capital, so nothing coming in a credit side. Clear? Now we are going to make the current account. Y and Z, Y and Z. Okay? No balance is given in your current account are given. See in the question beta, everyone. Any balance of current account is given? No? So directly start with the buy salary for Z 6,000, buy interest on capital 2250 and 1350, then buy commission 1200, and then buy PL appropriation 10,000 and 10,000. Just go for the totaling. I think everything is finished. Nothing else. The total of this 12,250, and this side 18,550. Is this coming or not? 12,250 and 18,550. 18,550 and 12,250. Two balance CD, and where going? It's not written, right? Don't write these things in your capital account, but only I am showing where is the money. Okay? Clear? Now you done the next question or not? Okay, start.